Hello, welcome to SuperHi Graphics. First, let's take a look at the intro.
Okay guys, welcome back. So delete what you have on your screen. Now let's set the background color. Come to color. Now this is the color that I'm making use of. Now I want to show us how to get this color. Simple. You can come to gradient like this, then you come to, let me start from what I have originally as the black background. Okay, so now you click on gradient, then you come here and click on, let me use another color as a sample here. Good. Now you come here, this first one, you are making use of center radius here. This first one, you click on it and come and select something reddish like this. You can see this red. Okay, good. Now you have it. This other one, which is the brighter side, come here and click color pick tool. Then you just come to something light like this, then you come and pick a very light color from that, around that color like this. So you just come and pick something light like this, and you can see how the color came about. Good. You can see how I got this background. Let me give us the color code for the background. The red one here is the color code FF0C04. that's the color code right here. Now the bright one, let me give us a color code. Here is the color code FFF, that's FFF1EA. That's the color code right here. You can see. Okay, good. Now that's how I got the background color. Now let's get into our designing art info. What I'm going to do now is simple. Come back here, and I already have the screenshot of my mobile available to me. That's mobile screenshot of my Instagram page. Here it is. You can see it. So I'll just make one screenshot available to us. You can even download any mobile phone format like this that you have, a PNG format. So I'll reduce the size of this, position this somewhere here like this, make use of positioning to center it properly. Good. Now the next thing is, I have the rocket, that's the shooting rocket. I have the image downloaded also. Okay, here is the image. I'll just crop out the watermark part just like that. Okay, and bring it in here. You can see this, so I'll just increase the size a little to fit into something like this. You can see it. Okay, this is good. I'll just click on sending it to the back, so I'll adjust it to something like this. You can see it. Good. Now the next thing I will just do is to come and touch up this rocket. Come to color filter and just increase the saturation to make it really bright. You can see the difference now. So here I'm using 45. Okay, that next thing is just to duplicate it and position it on this side. Try and ensure that they are on the same line. That is, this rocket is on the same line as the other one. You can see it. Okay, good. Now what you're just going to do now is to equally send this one. Just send it to the back, like send to the back like this. Good. You can see now we have our rocket and smartphone mockup set. What I'm going to do now is to click on sticker and just go and get some kind of lightning to blend up the space between the phone and the rocket. So let me pick something from here. Let me make use of this. There you have it. You can just click out, then you bring it in. Increase the size to something like this. Just rotate it to be straight. You can rotate it the other way around like this. and just bring it somewhere here. You can see this. So it's as if the rocket is launching and taking the mobile phone out into space. Just duplicate that again. Let me give us a specific size for this. I think the size I'm using is 73 by 20. So I'll just duplicate it again. Just duplicate it and come and position it on this other side too. You can see that. Okay, this is really good. Now, having done this, the next thing to spice it up is click on sticker and create this shadow effect. The first one that comes out, just click out on any part to retain it, bring it in, bring it down here, come and change the color here, enable color and just make it a black color, just like this. You can see that. So close it up a little, spread it to be something like this. You can see this. So all you do now is just to okay that and send it to the back again like this, so as it can be under the rocket. Duplicate it and bring it to this other side of the rocket too. You can see this. Good. Now send that to the back also. Now the next thing that I'm going to do now, let me create a small rectangular shape like this and just bring this down here to something like this. You can see this. Okay, good. And just position that. Okay, that, and let's give it some kind of color. Let's give it this color. Okay, let me give us a color code for this color. The color code is FBE4D0. That's letter F, letter B, letter E, figure 4, letter D, and 0. That's the color code right here. So by the time you have this color code, just position it and click out. You have it like this. The next thing is to add like the delivery man. Let's see, this is just like an illustration of the speed of light at which I deliver whenever anybody gives me a graphic design, like we deliver at rocket pace, something like that. So let me add like a delivery man which is just riding on a bike. So I can just crop this out like this. Now if you notice, you see that this watermark is still here. What do I do to get rid of this watermark? I'll just come here and come and look for eraser, just like this. Increase this. This is the handle. So I just click here and come and erase. Let me reduce the handle and come and erase this photo, just like that. That's how I do use to erase watermark from any image that I want to use. So just come and position this. You can increase the size a little and come and position it right here. You can see this. Okay, this is good. Now I can just click on color filter, increase the saturation a little to make it blend with what I have on the screen. You can see that. So I might make it like, let's say 7 or 8 is fine. Now click on this rectangle that we created at the bottom and just bring it to the front so as it can cover the entire space here. Bring it to the front. Good. Now you can leave it like this. You can add any other image. You can add your, let's say your WhatsApp and all of that, any text at all. Let me add, let's say WhatsApp icon and Instagram icon. Okay, let me just add this for us to see. Okay, that, and just bring it, reduce the size to something like this. This, just paste it down, just like that. You can see. So I'll use this to set it properly. That's position. And just move it like something like this. I want it to move closer to the center a little. Just like this. And if it is to move it up a little. Okay, click out. The next thing I'll just do now is to just type in a text, like click out text new text, edit it, and just type in, let's say whatever the brand is. This one is SuperHi Hubs, something like this. Okay, that. You just reduce the size, bring it down here. Just bring it down. So you can use your, let's change the color so as we can see. Give it a black color, good. And now just position it properly. Just like this. So any other thing you can add to it just to fine-tune your design. This is how to make a very simple illustration designs, like so if we're delivering at the speed of light. There is a delivery man, there is a rocket, there is a smartphone design, and that's my Instagram page right there on the screen. So thank you for watching. If this was really helpful, kindly like and subscribe to the channel to get notified whenever I'm posting videos like this.